Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will talk about the best VPN in Qatar. So a lot of you might be traveling to Qatar for FIFA World Cup, and to keep your social media life still active, you can get NordVPN in your device. It is available on iOS and Android device, and it provides you more than 5,400 servers in 60 different countries. So that's quite a lot, and you can also connect to 6 different devices in one go using NordVPN. All you have to do is just subscribe to a package of NordVPN and then open up their app, and you can download it for your PC, laptop and your mobile device. And after that, just select the country of your choice and you will be provided different servers in that particular country, and you can just click on a particular server and join it. And there's one more cool feature in NordVPN, which is this mesh net. All you have to do is just turn on your mesh net and you can link different devices to it. You can also join someone else's network, and it is like a virtual private network, so it gives a hassle-free access to a different network. And there are other options as well. More options are available on the PC, but in mobile you can get this threat protection, tab jacking protection, which helps you with phishing and spoofing attacks on your device, and the kill switch feature is also there, which basically means that whenever you disconnect from your VPN, all your data which has been stored on that particular VPN and all your trace to that particular server is deleted right after you disconnect from that server. So it helps with saving your privacy and your data from being attacked or hijacked. So it is a really good app to protect you from all the threats out there, and also gives you a lot of options to connect your servers to. So this one is the best VPN to use in Qatar, and I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.